Hey guys, today I'll show you the unboxing of the Realme X7 5G. So on the front you can see the phone's name, and at the back specifications like processor, battery, display and camera are mentioned. So quickly we'll open the box. First of all, you can see this beautiful phone, Realme X7 5G. The phone has a punch hole display. The device offers a stunning 64 megapixel quad camera setup on its rear side and Realme branding at the bottom left. Next, we have a silicone back cover which will protect your phone from any harm. You will get a USB Type-C cable for charging the phone. In addition, the company also provided USB Type-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter and SIM ejector tool. At last, we have a 2-pin wall charger with 50 watts of super dart charging. So guys, that's all you get inside the Realme X7 5G box. Thank you so much for watching this video.